To request an Airbnb refund, try to resolve the issue directly with your host through the resolution center by sending a refund request with evidence. You could just type, right, resolution center, right, on Airbnb. Okay, and then you're gonna see how resolution center or how Airbnb can help you out with your issue, right? So let me switch it up to English. Yeah. And if the problem still persists, what you're gonna do, you're gonna contact them directly, right? If that doesn't work, submit a claim to Airbnb through their phone number, right? You can contact them by messaging or chat. You can follow up on an existing issue or select a report, report a new issue, and you can also call them at this number, right? So I'm gonna go ahead to the resolution center and hit contact us. And it's gonna take me to, basically automatic chat, right? Where you're gonna explain to them what happened, okay? And provide evidence like photos and messages, ideally within 72 hours of discovering the problem. Airbnb may then mediate the claim or issue the refund based on its policies. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.